Video of the day. If you have one of these umbrellas that your string literally snapped, the way to shove it back in, use electric wire. Just tie it in, shove it all the way down the hole, let it go all the way in, and then you should be able to pull it from the other side. If anything, you keep shoving it. Let's see if it came out. Hasn't come out yet, but I'm gonna use something like this to shove it in even further. And you definitely want a flashlight so you can see what you're doing. But in there, all I have is a tiny little hole to pass it down. Okay, check it out. So you have to open the umbrella. You have to open the umbrella so that you get extra, so it reaches. And now all I gotta do is tie it to the original one, and we are all set. And original, it's right here. So we're gonna do a nice knot and put it in place. The next step, you wanna pull this wire or this little cable through this hole, and then you wanna feed it in here. So in order to do so, what I did, I used a little fire. So by doing so, I make this tip nice and slim so it's able to go into that hole right there. There's a hole right there. I'm about to do that right now. Okay, got it through. Next, I'm gonna shove it back down into the hole so I can get this end down here. So we're gonna shove it back in there. So before you fully shove it in, you're gonna end it up, it's gonna look just like that. And that's how you're gonna be able to get all of that inside so it could come out through here. Okay, your final product is gonna look just like that with a knot at the end. That's it. See that? Whew, nice and straight. And then when you turn this, that's what's gonna start adjusting it. Look at that. That's how you ended up with your umbrella right open. And the vice versa, it lets it close. Okay, so now I'm putting it back together. Get this piece here that screws in. One of the pieces that I took out earlier to get it nice and sturdy. There we go. Bam. Okay. Next, we're gonna get it in the hole. So we gotta make sure we line it up properly. There we go. There we go. And bam. That's into place. We're gonna screw the bottom. Very tight. Make sure, yep, it's nice and screwed in. And now we're gonna test where we did our work. So let's see if it works. There we go. Opening up. I'm on the inside. There we go. That's it. I mean, nice and tight. Yep, this is great. So yeah, there you have it. Look at that, beautiful, very beautiful.